Hello. In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to set up and use the breakout rooms on Zoom. This is something that a lot of people have been asking me in the last few days, so I thought, hey, let me make a quick video to try and help you. So let's go over to Zoom first. And I'm not gonna switch on my camera on Zoom because when I do that, things go a bit crazy. Got a lot of applications open here. Anyway, let's just ignore that. So we're on Zoom. And as you can see at the bottom, we have some options. We have share screen, chat, record, manage participants, invite. Obviously, you can switch on your camera and off. I'm not going to do that. But there's no breakout room. Where's the breakout room? What do I do? I saw a lot of people were confused about this. So what you want to do is you want to go onto the World Wide Web. You want to go onto the Zoom website. And on the Zoom website, it's you can type in just zoom.com will work or zoom.us. You want to log in to your account, and then once you've logged in, you want to go into settings. Okay, so you have here profile, meetings, webinars, recording, settings. This is pretty useful, recordings. If you record your meetings, you have two choices. You can record on your computer, or you can record in the cloud, which obviously saves space on your computer, so you can keep the recordings there. Anyway, settings. So a few things here. I personally like to do it like this. I have my host video off at the beginning of the class and the participants video on. You can change it. I like to do that because I usually start the meeting a few minutes before my students join. Maybe I'll go make a coffee or something and just leave the camera off. And then when they come on, I can see, then I can switch my camera on. Anyway, we're talking about breakout rooms. So what you want to do is you want to scroll down. There's lots and lots of options here. Don't worry about all of those for now. Wow, a lot of options. So you want to scroll down. It's basic. Where is it? It's almost at the bottom. Where is it? Breakout rooms. Where is it? Okay. See, I'm getting lost now. Okay, here it is. Breakout room. If you were smart, you could have just hit, Control F, and you could have searched for it in the page. Anyway, breakout room. So you can see it's off. All right. So you want to click this on. Okay. So it's on. Now, what will happen is, let's go back to Zoom again, and it's still not there. So what you will want to do is you will end the meeting. Let's click on end the meeting. Right? And then hopefully the next time, if we open Zoom again, start a new meeting, then this time, just give it a few seconds, it's just waking up. We have the breakout rooms here. Beautiful. Okay. So I can make another video in more detail about using the breakout rooms, but basically you want to click when you have more people. It's just me at the moment, but let's say you have 10 people and you want to divide them into twos or threes and twos, or you have 100 people, you want to divide them into groups of 5. No worries, you can do that. So click on breakout rooms, and then you will, obviously you can see I have 0 participants, but let's say you have 10 participants, 20 participants. You would just increase this. I think I should make another video to show this, because basically you can, every time you increase this, it will tell you how many participants will be in each room. And then what you do, once you've decided how many rooms, you can either choose automatic or manual. You can manually choose which person will be with which person. I think it's more fun to do automatic. Let's say you have 10 people, and you don't know nobody knows who their partner's going to be, and it saves you time as well. So I would choose automatic. You click on that, click create breakout rooms, and then all of the students will accept the invitation, and then within a few seconds you will have everybody in the breakout rooms. And what you can do then, you can click on manage participants, and you will have the list of all the participants here. And then you just basically click on, sorry, I'm talking nonsense here. Click on the breakout rooms and you will see a list of all the different rooms, and you can join each one and leave each one. I'll do another video on this. I just wanted to make this video just to show you how to set it up, and maybe you can experiment, try it out, see how it works, and I think I should make a second video where I actually have real people in the breakout rooms to show you how it works. That's probably a good idea, right? Anyway, let me know if this was useful. Let me know if there's anything else you're still confused about, but that is how to set up breakout rooms on your Zoom accounts. Good luck.